Romanian Land Forces Flugabwehrkanonenpanzer Gepard, better known as the Flakpanzer Gepard or Cheetah, guard a pontoon bridge constructed across the Danube River by Romanian engineers. Located near border Sani, Romania, they are providing the main air defence for the vehicles crossing it. The Romanian Flakpanzer Gepard are an ever-present element to NATO's battle group Poland since its formation in 2017. At that time it was one of 4 NATO enhanced forward present battalions in the eastern part of the alliance, which include Estonia, Latvia and Lithuania. With the 2022 Russian invasion and ongoing war in Ukraine, NATO has established 4 more multinational battalion battle groups in Bulgaria, Hungary, Slovakia and in Romania itself. The Romanian Land Forces operate 36 Flakpanzer Gepard, with a further 7 for spares. They assign an air defence detachment of Gepards and 100 soldiers on a rotational basis. They are selected from several Romanian Land Forces battalions for regular deployment to Battle Group Poland, providing essential and sometimes the only short-range air defence capability. Remarkably, this 1976 German-designed and manufactured anti-aircraft gun has recently gained remarkable successes in the battlefield. Now operating in Ukraine, the Gepard, donated by Germany, the first units deployed to Ukrainian forces in July 2022, are now numbering at least 30 units. They are proven to be highly effective against even the most modern low-flying Russian drones, cruise missiles and the very latest Iranian drones. The Flakpanzer Gepard vehicle is based on the hull of the Leopard 1 tank with a large fully rotating turret carrying the armament. It is fitted with a pair of 35mm Oerlikon KDA autocannons and 2 radar dishes, one a general search radar located at the rear of the turret and a tracking radar and a laser rangefinder located at the front between the guns. It is reported the Gepards in Ukraine are achieving success at down the 2.5-metre wingspan Iranian Shahed 136 drones. The radar can detect them 16 kilometres away, and it takes as few as 6 rounds to shoot them down, with a similar number needed to destroy a cruise missile. Not bad for a 40-year-old anti-aircraft gun system.